Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 6 easy ways you can add bright colors to your makeup. Before I begin, I want to give a big thank you to everyone who watched my last video and left a lovely comment. I was seriously like tearing up reading your comments because I just felt, the love and warmth all you guys had, and I just feel like I'm so lucky to have an amazing audience that's so supportive and that's always going to be there for me. So I feel like super motivated and determined to do my best. So thank you so much for watching my last video and leaving such nice comments. Now, about today's video, I wanted to share with you some easy ways to incorporate bright colors into your makeup routine. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but lately I have been obsessed with brighter, bolder colors, and I'm steering away from the safe colors, the browns and the bronze, and just stepping outside my comfort zone when it comes to colors. I know it can be a little bit daunting when it comes to experimenting with colors, especially for beginners, so I wanted to share with you 6 easy ways that I incorporate bright colors into my makeup. The first way I like to wear bright colors is by applying a wash of color over my lids. All I'm using is a single eyeshadow and a fluffy blending brush. This color is Tangerine from 3CE, and I'm just blending it out all over my eyelid. I find this the easiest way to wear bright colors on my eyes, and I can pretty much do this with any color. One of my favorite colors at the moment is yellow. To make the yellow shade more vibrant, I like to blend a cream base first over my lid. This is the Shuuemura eye foil in yellow gold. Once that's blended, I'll apply a yellow eyeshadow on top. This just helps to intensify the yellow shade. Now, if you don't own many bright colored eyeshadows, don't worry, because you can always use a lipstick to create a wash over your eyes. I find that matte lipsticks work best as they're more vibrant and they have better staying power. If you're after a more three-dimensional look, you can create a smoky eye using colors in the same family. Here I'm using purple. I'm applying a pastel purple cream shadow first, then I'm going to use a slightly darker purple eyeshadow from Crayolan to add depth onto the outer corners of my eyes. Once that's blended out, I'm going to layer a darker purple on top and blend out the edges. I'm also going to smoke out my lower lashes with the same color. This is the end result. It's a fun and easy way to wear bright colors on your eyes. Another way I like to wear bright colors is on my top lash line. First, I'll line my eyes with the Smashbox Baller pencil. This is a nice green shade, and I'm just using it to create a regular winged liner. Then I'm going to grab a brighter shade and apply it on top of the winged liner onto the inner half. This will create a gradient winged liner. It will add a pop of color to your eyes, and it's really easy to pull off. You can also experiment with colors on your lower lash line. Here I'm using Whirlpool from Marc Jacobs, and I'm applying it to 3/4 of my lower lash line. Then using a cotton tip to blend it out. If you're feeling more adventurous, you can line your lower lashes with a contrasting color to your eyeshadow. I'm using a blue eyeliner to make the orange eyeshadow pop and look more vibrant. If the tips I've mentioned so far are still a little bit out of your comfort zone, you can always incorporate bright shades on your lips. Now, there's 3 ways I like to wear a bright lip. One is to do a clean, defined, bold lip with nice edges by applying the lipstick straight out of the bullet. Step 2 is to create a softer lip by applying the lipstick just to the center of my lips. Then using a cotton tip to blend it out towards the edges. This gives the edges a more feathered, worn-in look. The third way I like to wear a bold lip is to create a gradient lip. The easiest way to do this is to use a two-tone lipstick. This one is from Laneige. The two colours will give my lips more dimension and give me a sweet, innocent look. Blush is another fun way to experiment with colours. I actually find it easiest to use lipsticks instead of powder blush because it's easier to blend out and because I own way more lipsticks than blush. First I'll apply the lipstick on the back of my hand, then use my fingers to apply it onto my cheeks. The warmth of my fingers help to blend out the product and gives me a more natural finish. You can try this technique and experiment with lots of colours, from pinks, reds, oranges and even purples, whatever you like. Just have fun with it. So that's it to this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you want to see more makeup tutorials with bright colours in them, make sure you let me know below. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye!